Good day. Do you please introduce yourself?
Good day, sir. My name is Kylie Ann Evangelista. I am 24 years old. I am from Ramuan, Isabela, Philippines. I am married. I have 2 sons, ages 6 and 1. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I am the second in the siblings. My highest educational attainment is senior high school.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work as helper in Philippines for 2 years. I serve 1 couple and 1 elderly. My duties are cleaning, cooking, doing laundry, and marketing. My main duty is taking care of elderly, like assisting in bathing, assisting in taking her medicines, toileting, and changing diapers.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, Ma'am and Sir, please choose me because I am hardworking and reliable person. I promise to finish my contract and do my best. Thank you.
Okay.